So hello, well, thank you for being here. Thank you for having me. My name is Pierre-Alexandre Fournier. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Hexoskin. We do wearable body metrics. I'm here with Jean-François Roy, Jeff, who's the co-founder and CTO of the company. We funded the company 7 years ago with the idea that we should close the feedback loop for health and give people access to their own health information and be able to acquire health data and provide them with digital health services. So let's start with this image. If you want to collect health data on an individual today, you need, when you want precise data about metabolism, about heart condition, about breathing patterns and of an individual, it's going to look like this. So who in this room would like to go out and live their life monitored with something like this? I see somebody here. You're very brave. Okay. So basically, what you see is $50,000 of equipment. It's not simple to use. It needs specialized technicians and doctors to use it and interpret the data. It's not fashionable at all. It's expensive. It's not small. It's not connected to the internet or any other connected device wirelessly like you would expect a wearable tech would do. It's not for long-term monitoring because you can't wear that for a long time. And this is the image you have when you talk about institutionalized medicine, because every one of you in the room, if you want to have access to your health data and you go to the clinic and you ask your doctor, can I have my medical file? You will meet with resistance because the institutions, private or public, don't want you to have access to your own health data. So we want to put people in control of their own health data. We want people to have access to precise, world-class health data and to be able to collect it on a daily basis. So Jean-François and I thought, well, there must be another way. So we thought about, we've developed a lot of sensors, we've put them in plastic boxes, tried to put them on the body, but it doesn't make sense because if you want medical technology, health technologies to be adopted and used on a daily basis, it has to look like something you're wearing every day. So what is more wearable than clothing? And basically that's what we did. We took a shirt, we modified it, and we made it smarter. So in the shirts you see here, and that Jean-François and I are wearing today, we're going to strip. I think everybody's more than 21 in the room. And the bar is open. So this shirt is equipped with cardiac sensors. You have an ECG. You can get heart rate variability. You have breathing sensors at the chest level and at the waist level. So we don't only measure breathing rate, but we measure breathing volume and breathing patterns. And this has a lot of applications. And I think this is the only product in the world, the only wearable product in the world that you can use to measure breathing volume and breathing patterns. Okay, so where's my thing? Okay. Okay, so the product was made to be easy to wear. It's very simple to use. You just put on the shirt, you connect a small device that you put in the pocket on the side here, and well, you go on with your training, with your daily life, you can sleep with it, and it has many other applications. It also, the way we made it with the iPhone app and the mobile app, it can connect to smartwatches, smart glasses, and we're looking forward to make partnerships with people here in the room who make smartwatches and smart glasses to display our health dashboard on these new products that are coming in. Now we're going to demo our mobile app that we've made for sports training. If we can switch to the iPad view. Okay. So this is live data that's coming from Jeff. So it's coming, his shirt is talking to the iPad that you see the display on the screen. And similarly, my shirt is talking to my phone, And my shirt uses my phone as a gateway to relay my health information to the internet. So I could have a partner or an employee in Montreal following me in real time right now while I'm giving this speech. I could have a psychologist in Switzerland, a trainer in Australia, and a doctor in Japan following me in real time while I'm speaking to you right now. So we're going to display some feature of the training app that is being used right now by athletes, well, athletes and normal people. You know, we have users between 16 and 73. Some people are just training for a 5K. They're, you know, just people interested in their own health. Some of our clients are going to the Olympic next winter in Sochi in 2014. So the product is simple to use. It can be used by people like you, people who go to the Olympic, and at the same time, the data is precise enough for our clients in health research, like the Canadian Space Agency. We're on track to put this technology in the International Space Station in 2016. We work with research labs at MIT, University of Waterloo, McGill, the US Navy Medicine. And all these people trust this technology to be able to gather health data in new contexts where they couldn't get data before because all they had was the lab equipment I've shown you on the first slide. So now they can track the participants in their studies in any context they want using this shirt. So on the demo, you see that you can use the mobile app to give context to your recordings and say, okay, now I'm walking, now I'm swimming, now I'm working. You can use a mobile app to define physiology-based interval trainings, to define, well, any kind of training you want with any triggers you want. And the app gives you alarm notifications that you can display on smartwatches and smartwatches and smart glasses, like I said before. So you can see his ECG in real time on this.
Yesterday I did squat, today I'm running.
Okay. Yeah, we have a zombie activity. Some of our engineers are zombies sometimes, but we fix that with coffee.
I want me to be a zombie. I cannot remove my arm on foot like that.
Okay, can we switch back to the presentation, please? Okay, thank you. So we're not a clothing company per se. We made the garments so we can get the data, and we can get the data in real context. We're more of an information company. The real product with this technology is the actionable data we give to our users. So right now we're discussing partnerships with major brands and clothing company to expand the clothing line. So we have many different types of shirts for many different types of people for different activities. We also have an open API. We're an open data device, so if you want API keys and you want to start developing and join our developer community, you can write an email at api@exoskin.com. We have over 30 developing team developing for this product right now. So I wanted to see this picture because this is a use case that's very interesting for us. This is Marco Bédard. He's a Canadian biathlete who's going to Sochi in 2014. He's training with Hexoskin. On this picture, you can see him training on a glacier in Alberta. But the thing is, with these with these elite athletes, they're at the Olympic level, but they don't have the budgets to take their trainers and coaches with them. So this remote monitoring solution is perfect for them because he can go training and then Skype with his coach and discuss the result, and it's really easy and convenient for them. And a last image that I didn't show yesterday, we have multiple sleep medicine research projects going on. This is a product that is really good for sleep monitoring. You know, it's not the activity trackers you see, and you see one new every week, they track your movement. They track it when you move, and some of them will say they're tracking your sleep, but really what they do is that they track when you're arm is moving. They don't really track sleep. With our device, we track breathing and heart activity, so it's a very complete solution for that. We have, like I said yesterday, we provide more than 40,000 data points per minute. It's very different from the other types of device. We're very proud of that. Thank you. The product is available for order on exoskin.com. Follow us on Twitter and Facebook. So thank you very much for listening.